Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the world of health and nutrition. Today, I'm diving into a hot topic: liver versus multivitamins. This is a debate that has been going on for quite some time, and it's time we get to the bottom of it. Which one is truly better for your health? Is it the nutrient-packed liver or the convenient multivitamin? Let's explore. First, let's talk about liver. This organ meat might not be the most popular item on your menu, but it has some incredible health benefits. Liver is considered one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals that your body needs to function optimally. Packed with vitamins A, B12, iron, and other essential minerals, liver offers these nutrients in a form that's incredibly easy for your body to absorb. This means you get more bang for your buck with every bite. See, the bioavailability of these nutrients, how well your body can use them, is a big deal. When you consume liver, your body can efficiently absorb and utilize these nutrients. Nutrients from liver are often more readily absorbed compared to the synthetic vitamins in your everyday multivitamin. This is because the nutrients in liver are in their natural form, which your body recognizes and uses more effectively. Think of it as getting your nutrients straight from the source rather than from a lab. It's like eating fresh fruit instead of drinking fruit-flavored soda. But hey, let's be real. Not everyone loves the taste of liver. It can be a bit of an acquired taste, and not everyone is willing to give it a try. Not everyone loves the taste of liver. For some, it can be quite off-putting. But there are ways to prepare it that can make it more palatable. It can be a bit of an acquired taste. And there are other factors to consider. For instance, you can try incorporating liver into dishes with strong flavors to mask its taste. Liver is high in cholesterol, so if you're managing your cholesterol levels, you might need to eat it in moderation. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Now, on the other hand, multivitamins are convenient. They're easy to take, and you get a wide spectrum of vitamins and minerals in one little pill. This can be especially useful for those with busy lifestyles. They're easy to take, and you get a wide spectrum of vitamins and minerals in one little pill. You can simply incorporate them into your morning routine without much hassle. But convenience comes at a cost. The synthetic nature of these vitamins means your body might not absorb them as efficiently as the nutrients in liver. The synthetic nature of these vitamins means your body might not absorb them as efficiently as the nutrients in liver. This is because synthetic vitamins can sometimes lack the necessary cofactors that aid in absorption. There's also the issue of quality. Not all multivitamins are created equal. Some may contain fillers or lower quality ingredients, which could affect their effectiveness. Not all multivitamins are created equal. Some may contain fillers or lower quality ingredients, which could affect their effectiveness. It's important to choose a high-quality brand to ensure you're getting the best possible nutrients. Some may contain fillers or lower quality ingredients, which could affect their effectiveness. So, which is better? It really depends on your individual needs and preferences. It really boils down to your lifestyle and health needs. If you can handle the taste and are looking for a natural nutrient-packed food, liver is a powerhouse. If you can handle the taste and are looking for a natural nutrient-packed food, liver is a powerhouse. It provides a concentrated source of essential nutrients that can support your overall health. But if you prefer convenience and a broad range of nutrients, a high-quality multivitamin might be the way to go. It's a simple and effective way to ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs. Ultimately, the best choice is the one that fits your personal health goals and dietary preferences. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique health needs. All right, that's it for today. I hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thanks for watching and take care of your health. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in the next video.